Advances in technology have made making money easier today than ever before. No longer beholden to bosses and brick-and-mortar stores, everyday people earn their living with the internet more than ever. You can join their ranks. Here's how to make money online. Live stream your video game play if you love gaming. Consider streaming on Twitch. Once you become an affiliate, you can start earning money through subscribers, cheers, and ads. Streaming on Twitch takes a lot of hard work. You need a regular schedule, the ability to interact with folks, and the right equipment. It takes a long time to build a following, but if you can do it, it's a fun way to make money doing what you love. Start a blog if you love writing and want to share your thoughts with the world. Consider starting a blog. People make money blogging with display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored articles, and more. Although the glory days of blogging, where you could throw garbage up on the internet and get thousands of page views, are over, there's still a lot of opportunity in the space for those willing to go after it. Niche websites. People build niche websites when they want to focus on affiliate sales. A niche website revolves around a specific topic, like outdoor camping gear. It offers reviews, testimonials, how-tos, and other vital information on the topic. But the main goal is to get folks to buy the products it highlights. Flip websites. If you're not interested in maintaining a website long-term, consider flipping them. People are constantly giving up their passion projects. Find decent domain names for sale. Fix the content up so it gets more traffic and resell it for profit. Make YouTube videos. Those who want to share their knowledge through video format can make videos for YouTube. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period to gain access to YouTube's partner program for monetization. But once you're in, you'll start earning an ad share off all of your videos. You can also put links to your own products or affiliate products in the video description and use sponsors to monetize your channel. Write ebooks. You don't need your own website to make money writing. Instead, you can self-publish digital ebooks on platforms like Amazon. Some folks make a full-time income writing smutty romance novels, while others create impressive fantasy worlds for their readers. Self-publishing removes the middleman and lets you bring your books directly to the people. The downside is you'll have to market them yourself if you want people to find them. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves acting as the middleman between customers in the US and manufacturers overseas. For best results, choose a niche you know and explore the products before selling them. To make dropshipping work, you'll have to do a lot of digital marketing and SEO. So people find your shop. Create a course. If you're an expert in something, consider creating an online course to teach it to others. You can create an online course on nearly any topic you can imagine. From fine art painting to blogging, use online marketplaces like Gumroad, Skillshare, Udemy, and Teachable to build and host your course. Make an app. If you have developer skills and see a market need, consider making a new app. You can decide whether to offer it for free and rely on ad revenue, offer it for a one-time download, or sell it as a subscription model. Sell Printables. The digital marketplace allows you to create and sell digital products. You can develop calendars, journal prompts, children's activities, spreadsheets, 3D printing models, and more. Sell your printable products in online shops like Etsy and Gumroad. All you have to do is design the product and upload it. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by selling products online. Share your unique link, and when someone clicks on it and follows through to a purchase, you earn money. Though most people who earn a living with affiliates use a blog to drive traffic, you can also use social media, a YouTube channel, or email marketing. Check the terms of each program you sign up for to know which traffic sources are allowed. Brand ambassadorship. If you've got a great social media following, you might be able to earn an income as a brand ambassador. Brands pay big bucks for social media influencers to regularly showcase their products and services. As a brand ambassador, you use your feed to promote the brand. Social media influencer. If you don't want to stick with a specific brand, consider using your social media following to earn sponsorships, while a brand ambassador is a regular, ongoing relationship. A sponsored post is a one-and-done deal that allows you to work with numerous companies. They're basically paying to put an ad on your social media channel. Print on demand. If you're skilled in graphic design, consider making artwork for t-shirts, coffee cups, and blankets. Create your designs and upload them to a print-on-demand site and earn money each time one of your designs sells. Get patrons if you're creative. Consider getting fans to pay you for content with a Patreon account. This platform allows creative people to offer exclusive content to those who support them financially. Start a podcast if you like talking but don't want to be on video. Consider starting a podcast. Once you get enough listeners, you can earn money through sponsorships, coaching. With the ability to connect with folks worldwide, it's never been easier to shift your coaching business online. You can be a life coach or career coach from the comfort of your own home. Tutoring parents will pay big bucks to get the best tutor for their kids, and you can do it all online. There's a large variety of online tutoring platforms available, hoping to connect teachers to kids who need extra help. Turn your passion into an online business. People around the world have found unique ways to morph their passions into an online business. You can create a website with lessons and videos, create a private group on a pre-existing platform to share your knowledge, or even think of an entirely new way to connect with people who share your passions. There's no limit to the possibilities available online. Freelance work, you don't need to start a business or have a real job to make money online. You can take work when you want on a freelance basis to earn extra cash online. You can do freelance writing, editing, graphic design, social media management, graphic design, and more. Go the traditional route with a remote job. The final way to make money entirely online is to find a traditional job that offers a remote schedule. It was easier 2 years ago, but despite the massive influx of return to office, there are still far more opportunities for remote work than ever before. Search traditional job sites like Indeed for remote work opportunities that align with your skills. Earn extra cash online. There's a difference between earning an income online and making extra cash online. If you're only looking for a few extra bucks a month, consider these fantastic options for earning money online. Take surveys. Companies that need market research will pay people to take their surveys and watch their videos. Although you'll never earn a full-time income sharing your opinion, you will make enough pocket money to fund some extras. Play mobile games. If you're obsessed with mobile gaming, consider grabbing Mist Play, the app that pays you to play mobile games. You won't earn real cash, but you'll earn rewards. You can trade for gift cards to your favorite stores. Fun apps. There are tons of apps that connect workers to customers online, though you still have to technically do the work, which isn't always online. The online space works as a marketplace, helping you find customers. Use Rover to walk dogs, Uber to drive, Instacart to deliver food, and TaskRabbit to help folks around the house. Freelance. Trade your skills for cash whenever you need a boost with freelancing. Patrons on sites like Fiverr are always looking for writers, editors, and designers for short jobs. Choose your hours and projects for fast, easy cash. Test the web. Some sites pay users to test out their user experience. Earn pocket cash by beta testing and reviewing websites. Microtasking. You don't need to commit to a full freelance job to make money online. Companies like Clickworker offer users the ability to do short-term projects like AI testing and data entry at their own pace. Commit to it next. Commit to your new venture. Force yourself to dedicate time to growing your new baby every week. You need to put in the work if you want to succeed. Give yourself time. Many people fail with their online businesses because they don't put in enough time. People start blogs and drop them after 6 months, not realizing it can take 3 to 5 years for a blog to make money. If you're serious about making money online, commit to it long term. Learn everything. Once you've decided what to focus on, you must dive in and absorb all the knowledge you can about it. Though many of these money-making opportunities seem simple, a lot of work goes into each. You'll need to figure out the best supplies, the best hosting, the best ways to market yourself, and more. Try new things. Don't get so caught up in what so-called experts say that you get scared to experiment. You can't copy the top Twitch streamer and expect to make money. You need to offer your unique voice and experience to your business. Adapt. The online ecosystem is far different today than it was just last year. Google updates constantly crush bloggers, while YouTube algorithm changes can make or break a YouTuber. You must stay mindful of these changes and adapt as they come. Diversify your marketing tactics so you don't rely on just one entity. Revisit. Sometimes we have to admit failure. Revisit your business plan at least annually to see how you're doing. You may realize you're in the wrong field or must change your strategies to compete in the market. Don't be afraid to make changes to your process. Do it. Many people fail because they get so caught up in seeking perfection that they never actually do anything. They refuse to hit publish on their blog posts, refuse to upload their videos, and never actually launch the thing they said they would. Don't let the impossible quest for perfection hold you back. Do it. It won't be good, but do it anyway. The more you do, the better you'll get. And when you're a pro, you can always go back and fix the mistakes you make along the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.